parachute string here. Got a train coming. He's gonna be on the second main line. He's gonna be on this track, not this one. We don't gotta stand back on this one. He's on the second line. Well, look, the engine's working. Look. Already missed 3 trains already. This is the first train of the day. Looks like he's stopping. Made you jump, Edie.
Why is too slow on this?
I don't know, it might be another train, or he might be swapping crews. Who knows? The ending's still far back there. There's another train coming. That's why he's stopping. I just found out why this train's stopping. There's another train coming. I just looked at the signal. It's green. So now there's one coming on this one right here. Let's just see how far he is. I'm gonna keep the film rolling. There's the ending right there. Right there. Well, he was. I thought he was gonna stop, but it looks like he's not. Well, y'all subscribe, like the video. I'm gonna get 2 trains at one time. And here comes the ending. This one. There he is. Just have to see how far this train is. I hope he's not that far. It's green, so he should be close. Yeah, I got Molly right here.
Hey. It's my weekend off.
Yeah. Well, let's just see how far this train is. I hope he's close. Still don't see him yet.
And I jumped.
Never mind. That's that horn moving that way. It's that train going that way. Oh, I thought I heard his horn, but it's the train just went just a second ago. So, yeah, y'all click the thumbs up and subscribe and like. But don't worry, I'm not going to end the film right here. I'm going to keep the film rolling.
Good.
Just see how long this train's coming. Here's another train right here on the other main line right there. I don't know if he's gonna move or not. Probably waiting on this train to come, or I don't know. But we'll see.
If that does it, we're probably gonna leave. Cause I know it's burned or nothing.
I think I heard him on the radio. Oh yeah, I'd be here anytime. green on this first line. Be watching, might be coming around the corner anytime. I hear his horn. He's not too far, I just heard him.
Sit down for a sec.
They're doing something over there. I don't know what they're doing over there. Where you at? Where you at? Still showing green. He's coming. Sure taking his time getting here. Sure hope he gets here quick. He's got to be in that siding just around the corner down there. Light's still showing green. I think I hear his engines, but I just don't see him yet. Unless he's coming slow. But the light's green. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is right there. I knew he wasn't that far. He had to be in that siding. We're okay right now, Molly. We'll just move back when he gets closer. Working. See the heat waves coming out of the engines. Look at that. Ooh, it's a BNSF. Don't get better than that.